I've known Doug my entire life. Doug taught me fun things throughout my life, such as riding my bike and the thumb trick. I was so excited when Doug came to our home for Christmas, Easter, and Halloween. Doug rejoiced in the simple things of life. His word was, "Oh, gloriosity." Doug's wonderful wife, Karen, was always there to love and support him. Doug made me feel that the sky is the limit if you try and believe. Doug always dreamt but remained humble. Doug will always be in my heart even as I grow older.